What's up, guys? Charles here. Cyber Monday deals on Thunderbolt docking stations for your laptop are here, and some excellent bargains are available. Number one HP Thunderbolt Dock G2 is now $68, 14% off at Amazon. Number two, Kensington USB-C and Thunderbolt Dock, $109, 21% off at Amazon. Number three, Targus USB-C docking station, now $101, 59% off at Amazon. Number four, Belkin Thunderbolt 3 Dock Pro, now $164, 9% off at Amazon. Number five, Belkin Thunderbolt 3 Dock Plus, now $99, 60% off at Amazon. Number six, Kensington SD 2500T, now $67, 5% off at Amazon. That's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming, and as always, I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.